Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
An electric circuit consists of an inductance of 0.1 Henry, a resistance of 20 ohms and a condenser of 25 microfarad. Find the charge Q and current I at any time t, given that Q of 0 is equal to 0.05 and I of 0 that is equal to 0. How to find charge and current in the LCR circuit? Today we discuss problem on LCR circuit. Let us see the problem. An electric circuit consists of an inductance of 0.1 Henry, a resistance of 20 ohms and a condenser of 25 microfarad. Okay, find the charge Q and current I at any time t, given that Q of 0 that is equal to 0.05. This time he given 0.05 and I of 0 that is equal to 0. See friends, this is 2016 question, important problem friends. Don't neglect, practice well friends. Let us see the solution here. Solution, clearly here he given L, okay, resistance R, condenser C. So clearly it is LCR circuit. He given LCR circuit. Okay, what is equation? What is LCR circuit equation friends here? L into d square q by dt square plus R into dq by dt plus q by c that is equal to E. Okay, this is the LCR circuit. Now let us see the given data friends. Given data here, given L is 0.1 Henry, okay, resistance R ohms, R that is equal to 20 ohms, R value is 20, condenser is here, C value is 25, what he says microfarad, generally given farad friends. To convert microfarads into farad, multiply with 10 to the power of minus 6 here. So we get here 25 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into farad. Now if you observe here, he doesn't give any E value. So E is equal to here 0. E value is not given, E value is 0. Moreover, given conditions here, Q of 0 that is equal to 0.05. Generally he given 0, but in this problem he given 0.05. Please observe this change here. And then it is as it is, I of 0 that is equal to 0. I of 0 that is equal to 0. We are finding here Q value and current I value. Okay, I value and Q value. Substitute all these things friends here. L value is 0.1. Okay, d square q by dt square plus R value is 20 dq by dt plus q by c. C value is here, C value is 25 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 6, that is equal to E value. E value is 0. E value is 0. So finally this is our linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Okay, further we are using I of 0 and Q of 0 is equal to 0.05 and then find here Q and I value. So what is complete solution of this linear differential equation? Come on, tell me here friends. Right hand side value is 0. Complete solution that is equal to complementary function. Time got here. It is to find here only complementary function. So put subheading here complementary function. Okay, complementary function. In complementary function, what is step 1? Step 1 is symbolic form. form. 0.1 d square, 0.1 d square plus 20d plus here 1 by 25 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So here 10 to the power of minus 6 can be written as 10 power 6 by 25. Okay. 10 power 6 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 25 into q, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. 25 here, how many times? In 100, 4 times. We get here 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros. Okay, we get here 40,000 here, 40,000. Now you write auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? Q coefficient, that is equal to 0. So 0.1 into d square plus 20d plus 40,000, that is equal to 0. Now here I have 0.1, so multiply, friends, multiply with 10. Then I get here d square plus 200d plus I think here 4 lakhs. Okay, that is equal to 0. And now we have formula here. What is formula? X, that is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. So what is a value here? A value is 1, b value is 200 and c value is 4 lakhs. Okay. Now d, that is equal to minus b. So minus 200 plus or minus square root of b square, 200 square, that means here 4 zeros. Okay, that means 40,000 minus 4 AC. Okay, 4 AC. 4 into 1, a value is 1. So 4 4s are 16. So 16 0 0 0 0. Okay, divided by 2a. 2a means 2. That is equal to now 16 5 zeros. Okay, 40,000. Subtract, friends, 40,000. Okay, subtract 0 0 0 0 and then 10, 6 we get here, already 5, 6 we get here, 156 4 zeros, friends. So it can be written as 39 into 4, 40,000. Let me check once again. 39 into 40,000. Then I get here 1 lakh 15 lakhs 60,000. Okay, 15640, friends. So here it can be written as here minus 200 plus or minus root 39. We get negative here because I am subtracting 40,000. So here actually is 40,000 minus 16 lakhs, friends, 16 lakhs. So here I get a 15 lakhs 60,000 here, 15 lakhs 60,000. So we get minus here. This can be written as minus 30i into 40,000. So minus here I get minus here. Minus means I square means I square value is 1. So it can be written as I square root of 39. Okay, square root of 4 means 2. For 2 zeros, square root means 1 0. Here also 2 0 means we get 1 0. But that means we get 200 by 2. That is equal to, divide with 2, friends. We get here minus 100 plus or minus I 100 root 39. root 39. So complementary function is complementary function, okay, e power minus 100t, okay, e power minus 100t, c1 cos 100 root 39t plus c2 sin 100 root 39t. So here we get complementary function, friends. So this is the solution for q, okay, this is the solution for q. So write down here q, that is equal to e power minus 100t c1 cos 100 root 39t plus c2 sin 100 root 39t. So this is 2. We already given the equation for 1. So this is 2. Now I want to find I value, friends, here I, that is equal to dq by dt. So here are t terms, here also t terms. Apply uv rule. So e power minus 100t into derivative of this one, friends, cos. So this can be written as 100 root 39 c1 sin, cos derivative is minus, so minus sin 100 root 39t plus here also get 100 root 39 c2 sin derivative is cos, so cos 100 root 39t. Now derivative of this one, friends, so we get a minus 100 e power minus 100t, okay, derivative of e power ax is e power ax into a, into, write as it is here, c1 cos 100 root 39t plus c2 sin 100 root 39t. Say this is 3. Now he given condition q of 0 is equal 0.05, okay, q of 0 that is equal to 0.05. So that implies 0.05, that is equal to e power 0 value is 1. So cos 0 value is 1, cos sin 0 value is 0. So finally I get here c1 value as 0.05, okay, c1 value as 0.05. Now you write here I of 0 value. Clearly I of 0 value is 0. So that implies 0 that is equal to e power 0 is 1, sin 0 value is 0, cos 0 value is 1. So we get here 100 root 39 c2 bracket close minus 100 e power 0 is 1, cos 0 value is 1. So 100 c1, sin 0 value is 0, friends, sin 0 value is 0. So here 100 root 39 c2, that is equal to 100 c1 value. C1 value is 0.05. So 100 cancel here. C2 that is equal to 0.05 by root 39, that is equal to root 39, that is equal to 0.05 divided by under root 39. We get here 0.008, friends, 0.008. Actually, we get here 8.006 into 10 to the power of minus 3. It can be written as 0.008. So you substitute C1, C2 values in Q and I, friends. Okay, he says both find I, Q and I value. So first you substitute in Q and you get here Q that is equal to e power minus 100t, e power minus 100t, 100t, C1 value 0.05, 0.05 cos 100 root 39t. C2 values plus 0.008 sin 100 root 39t, bracket close. This is the charge in the circuit at any time t, Now moreover he says that he find q value, friends, or I value. Okay, what he says, find I value. I that is equal to multiply with e power minus 100t, friends, here. Now I want to multiply here 100 here, 100 into, and then root 39 into root 39 into, what is C1 value? C1 value is 0.05. So 0.05. We get here this value is 31.22, friends. This value is minus 31.22. So write here minus 31.22 e power minus 100t, into sin 100 root 39t, sin 100 root 39t. Okay, and then plus here 100 into root 39 into C2. C2 means here 0.008, so 008. We get this value is 4.99, that means this value is 5. Okay, so we get here plus 5 e power minus 100t cos root 39 100 into t, and then here 100 into C1, friends, 100 into C1, 0.05 means we get a minus 5. So okay, minus 5 e power minus 100t cos 100 root 39t, and then multiply with minus, we get minus 100 into C2 means here we get 100 into 0.008, that means we get a 0.8, friends, 0.8. So we get here minus 0.8 e power minus 100t sin 100 root 39t. Now if you observe the terms here, friends, minus 5 e power minus 100t cos 100 root 39t plus e power minus 100 cos root 39 100t, both are same, so cancel here. So that is equal to, that implies I that is equal to minus 31. So finally we get here both are negative terms, so we get minus here is 2 to 8, friends, so we get here 32 approximately. So 32 e power minus 100t sin 100 root 39t. This is the current in the circuit at any time t. Once again, friends, what he given in the problem, he given H value, okay, L value, resistance value and capacitor value. So this is LCR circuit. So write down the LCR circuit equation first, and he write the given values, and then he given that IQ of 0 is equal to 0.05 and I of 0 is equal to 0. It doesn't give E value, so it doesn't give means the E value electromotive force is 0 here. Okay, I substitute all these things here, and then I get here the equation 1. So the right hand side value is 0, so complete solution that is equal to complementary function. Okay, complementary function becomes here complete solution. Write in the symbolic form here. Okay, and then write auxiliary equation and multiply with 10, we get for getting roots easily. Okay, I simplified here, then I get here minus 100 plus or minus I 100 root 39. Then I write here complementary function. So the complementary function becomes complete solution. So this is solution for Q. Okay, I write the complementary function here, and then I need here I value dq by dt. You differentiate here, you apply UV rule, Okay, we get this one, friends. Now he given two conditions, q of 0 is equal to 0.05. I apply the inner q, we get C1 value is 0.05, and then I of 0 is equal to 0 in third condition. Then I simplified, then I get C2 value as 0.08. Simply I substitute C1 and C2 in q and I. Q value, this is a q at any charge in circuit, and some terms are cancelled in I. Okay, finally I get I that is equal to minus 32 e power minus 100t sin 100 root 39t. This is the current at any time in the circuit. If you have any doubt in the problem, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.